Now that the Civil War is over, I can finally relax.
Peter, something bad happened.
What now, Scott?
You won't believe this, but Cap's evil.
Ha! That's a good one, Scott.
No, seriously, read this.
Oh my god, you're right. We should tell Stark.
Now that the Civil War is over, I can finally go back to my hobbies.
Tony, something bad happened.
What are you doing here? Can't you see I'm busy right now?
But this is really bad.
Yeah, Cap's evil.
What? I knew that old grandpa was evil. Let's go beat him up now.
Let's do this.
Songs were better back in my day.
Cap, are you evil?
So you finally found out.
Scott was right. Cap is evil.
All right, Civil War's back on.
Well, here goes nothing.
No!
And you can tell your friends we'll be together till the end. Girl, you can wear my sweatshirt, 'cause you're the only one I hold.
Oh, hey Steve, do you need anything?
I'd like to make a complaint.